you guys do a favor for me. You got your girl sitting next to you. I want you to look at her. I want you to look deep in her eyes. Get real deep. I want you to look deep in her eyes. And I want you to say this. Girl, why your feet smell like mustard? Why are you trying to touch me this way? Why you think I'm crazy? Nah, I'm just playing with you. But I have had some women like that in my past that need to just get up off the ground and wash their ass. But I ain't gonna say that because them women are my past now. So we gonna leave them alone. But for those women out there that just don't know what the hell a bar soap look like, it's got this big ass like emblem on it. It's gonna either say Ivory, it might say Irish, it might say shoot, I don't know. I don't know every bar of soap. I use only a couple, and I'm allergic to Irish Spring, so I don't even know how the hell they got up in here. But if you do know a girl that smell like that, you do this.
Girl, get your ass in the shower. This is crazy. What the hell you come over here for? Oh my God. Is that your ass or did a truck just drive in my house? Oh my God. Who the hell put them fish sticks on my damn couch? What you doing here, girl? Oh my goodness. Put your ass in a tub. Get some soap. I don't give a fuck if it's dish soap. Use it clean. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm crazy. Yes, I am. That's who I am. Brandon, a.k.a. Mr. Brothers. Get used to it. I told y'all this. I ain't in 100 movies yet, but by the end of this day, I'll probably be at like 85. I'm getting close. I'm getting real close. We're almost to that margin, and if you don't want to ride with me on my fantastic voyage, jump off the ship, jump off the ship. Cause I'm keep going till I get where I want to be. Until I find where I want to go and where I need to be at, point A to point B, don't worry about it. I'm gonna get there with or without you. Cause I told you, I don't really care no more. I'm having fun, I'm job hunting, I'm doing all that. Studying for school and making movies. I'm having fun. It's my life, baby. Hold up. Let's see what outside look like right now. Ooh. Yeah, we lost all that snow, y'all. No more snow. A little bit, but it ain't much, you know what I mean? I hope y'all didn't recognize that setting because I don't need nobody coming up to my crib. I'm asking, oh man, I investigated where you stayed at and then show up, got the police standing outside waiting for you. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't want it. This has been another Public Service announcement from Mr. Kim Rowless himself. Peace.